Alright, what's up folks? It's your boy NOY-Z, and Happy New Year's to you first of all. And I so appreciate you clicking on this video. By the way, I am trying desperately to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers so I can go ahead and monetize. So if you did not know, YouTube has 2 requirements in order to monetize your channel. You have to have over 4,000 watch hours of content within a year, and you have to have had 1,000 subscribers. I hit my 4,000 watch hours a long time ago. I have a couple of videos on the channel that are doing very well, but for whatever reason, people have not been encouraged to push the thumbs up button, or not the thumbs up button, but the subscribe button. So if you don't mind, please help a brother out. Hit the subscribe button. It's free for you, but it's priceless for me. And once I am able to monetize the channel, I can do more videos, better content, because that would relieve some of the 9 to 5 that I have to work that prohibits me from making more videos. Okay, so today we're going to start off the new year with I'm going to be redoing my studio space. So if you've been following the channel, you've seen, you know, part of my studio. I haven't shown you the whole thing. So I'm going to show you the entire studio right now, which is right behind me here in my house. Right now, I don't have anything in there. Not really anyway. You'll see here in a moment. But I want to show you guys what exactly I'm going to do, and I'm going to walk you through it. And hopefully you guys like the changes. So let me know in the comment section whether or not you like what I'm going to do here. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to give you sort of the empty room tour. Sort of empty out. It would be helpful if I didn't run into the door trying to walk backwards. Anyway, so guys, this is the studio space. All right, so when we first moved into the house, this was our bedroom. I got a belt and a hat hanging up there. But right now, as you can see, it's just sort of just an empty room. I do have my elliptical in here. It was the only place that I could really find to put it where, you know, I had a level ground. I was gonna put it in my basement, but my basement doesn't have a level ground. So it does live in my studio space, and it will continue to live in the studio space for right now. I've taken all the pictures off the wall, and this is basically it. And here we got the big blue lockers. One of these days, I'm gonna have to tell you guys the story about how I got these lockers. It is how I acquired these lockers is it's a wild story. It is a wild story. It wasn't, you know, as simple as going to a store. I don't even know what store you would go to even buy lockers, but I acquired these lockers in a very odd way. And I'll have to do another video about that. I will do a video about that. It'll be a story time video. Let's just say for now that the police were heavily involved with these lockers, okay? So I'm gonna leave it like that. So if you wanna hear that story, let me know down in the comment section that you wanna hear that story. And subscribe. Again, I'm trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber count. All right, so I'm gonna explain here what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be painting the walls here. That door over there is a closet. I'm gonna be painting the walls a color called Gentleman's Gray, which is sort of like a navy blue, but it's got like a green tint to it. You guys will see that here in just a moment. And on this wall here, on this wall, I am going to be putting a faux wood wall, so it won't be real wood. It's going to be a vinyl peel and stick, and that's what I have in these boxes here. Okay, so that's what I have in these boxes, is a vinyl peel and stick. Let's see if I can open it up so you guys can kind of see what it looks like there. So that wall will be done with that, and if I have some wood left, which I'm sure I will, I'm thinking about also putting the wood on this little center section between the two doors here, because I do predict I'm gonna have quite a bit of these wood panels left. All right, so anyway, y'all, so that's what I'm about to do. So let's get to it. And there you have it, folks. That is the wall. I know in this lighting you can't really tell, but it is, when it dried, it turned more of a navy blue than the green color. But depending on what the lighting is doing, sometimes it's blue, sometimes it's gray. Sometimes you might be looking at it and say it looks a little black. And this is the wall. Ain't it lovely? Ain't it lovely? This was not hard, but it wasn't quite easy either. Let me explain here. Behind this wall is brick. So virtually nothing sticks to this wall. And I can't put nails through it without using a hammer drill, which I don't really have access to at the moment. All right, sorry about that. The memory card in my camera just died on me, so switched over to the iPhone. All right, so like I was saying about this wall, has brick on the other side, so we weren't able to nail through it. We started putting the panels up, and they do have adhesive on the backs of them already, but the adhesive was not enough to hold up on the wall. And we had pretty much got all the way to the top of the wall, and then everything just fell, just boom, boom, boom. And since we couldn't put nails in it, what we did was, show you this. Y'all gotta get some of this. Like if you live in a rental especially, get some of this. This is season seal, but I'm not really a big fan of this brand. You want to get the DAP, the DAP peel and seal if you can find it. We ran out of it. Like we are almost done with it. We only had like that much left to do over there on that side, and ran out of the good stuff. Went to Home Depot. Home Depot didn't have any, so we had to order this from Menards. This brand, I don't too much care for it. This season seal, white lightning season seal. I'm not a big fan of it, but you know, it got the job done. But if you can get the DAP, the DAP, peel and seal, or seal and peel, whatever it is, that's the brand you want. This stuff will allow you to adhere to your walls, but it's not permanent. So if you live in a rental or anything like that, it will work for you great. It just like peels off. So really quickly, I just wanted to show you guys, it's been a few weeks since we completed it. This is what it looks like, my desk looks like, if you're ever wondering. From the opposite side, most of my shots will not look like this, so it's rare that you will ever be able to see this particular view of my desk. But this is what it looks like. Most times you will probably be looking at me sitting in my chair with that wall behind me. But I did want you all to see what the semi-finished product. It's not going to be the full finished product, but it's the semi-finished product. I'm going to just do some more like decorating and stuff. And again, like I explained earlier, because of the brick wall behind here, I won't be able to, I wanted to put shelves or something up here, but that brick wall on the other side of these panels is gonna present a real challenge for me. So I'm not gonna be able to do that, unfortunately, but I'm gonna put up some floor shelves, not the floating shelves that I wanted to. And right now, as you can see, this wall is pretty blank, other than my blackboard and my work schedule over there. I have a real bad habit of getting my work schedule wrong, so I started printing them out. Thank you very much, iHeartMedia, for that. So yeah, I just wanted you guys to see that, sort of what my desk is gonna look like. And there's my camera. So again, I'm still filming this part on my iPhone. All right, so yeah, just wanted you guys to see the rest of that. But this is it. This is gonna be the new studio that you will all see in the videos now. And the elliptical, which will be out of the shot, but it is in the room. All right, y'all. Love, peace, hair grease. Remember to like and subscribe. Please subscribe, because I do need to get up to 1,000 subs so I can monetize this channel and make more videos for you guys, all right? Love, peace, hair grease. You're beautiful.